Hey, U.S. history students, if you're watching this video, it's because you want to know how to see exactly what assignments you are missing in U.S. history class. And that's a really smart move on your part, because the best way to bring your grade up in the class is to make sure that you have got every missing assignment completed. So we had better know how to view exactly what you're missing. So here's what you got to do. Please follow along with me. You want to go to the grades page. So look at Mr. McGrill's green hand on the screen here. You want to go and click on grades. It'll take you to the grades page. And on the grades page, you'll see every assignment that has been assigned for a grade. You'll see the due date, but most importantly, over here on the right is the score column. Check out the score column, folks. That's the important information that you need to focus on. If you see any assignment with a 0 in the score column, I repeat, if you see any assignment with a 0 showing up in the score column, that's how you know that it's missing and it still needs completed for a grade. So you can see Mr. McGrill has a lot of zeros showing up here, which means that these are all missing assignments that I need to complete for a grade. So once you have pinpointed which assignments you need to complete, then you can hop back over to the modules page of U.S. history to locate each of these assignments and get them completed. And you can tell which unit these assignments are located in by noticing the workbooks. You can see if it's labeled workbook 1.1 or 1.2, that's part of unit 1. If you scroll down, you'll notice workbooks are now 2.1 or 2.2. That means these materials are in Unit 2. And so on and so forth. You scroll down further, now we've got workbooks 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Those are located in the Unit 3 materials on the modules page. So remember, you get 2 attempts on every assignment, every quiz, every test. So it would be wise of you to retake any quiz, any test, any assignment that you scored below a 60% on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is the important information you need to know about getting caught up in U.S. history. I hope you find this helpful.